What's going on, whole world? All right, guys. So right here in this is 100 names of people that you've already built a home for. All right. We've sold 343 homes. Isn't that something? That's amazing. What's that? Since we started. And that's not including the Grove.
No.
Yeah, so you add another 72 homes to the 343. Now the only thing is when we get done with the Grove, when you guys are done at Christmas, we're only 92 homes behind. That's 2 months of work. So if somebody orders a house today, they'll get it March 1st, because we build about 50 homes a month. So 50 in January, February, March, boom. So even before March, if somebody buys a house today, they're going to get their house. That's nothing. That's less than 90 days out. But we did a deal to every 100 homes we sold, we'd give one away. And inside here is a winner of a free tiny house. So from 200, let's see, 101 customer to 200, right here is their name on that piece of paper, and somebody, 1 out of 100, is going to win a free tiny house. They've already got one they bought, and they're going to get a second one for free. And that's right inside here. And I wanted you guys to be a part of it. All right? So where's Jeff at? Is he here? I was going to play. Jeff, there you are. You're the only one that would do it besides me. Is we're going to do a musical bag handoff, all right?
Like hot potato.
Yeah, like hot potato. So what I want to do is start here, and you guys just hand it off, and I want you, now Jeff is our electrician, he's everything, he does a lot of cool stuff. But Jeff, you got to sing a song for us, and you got to look away from us, and when he stops singing, who's ever got a hold of the bag is the one going to pull out the winner. All right? I'd play a radio, but they'd beep us on here. They wouldn't let us do it. What are you going to sing? Hey, you know what? We need to get this microphone over to him singing. Hey, come up here. Come up here. I want you by me. Do what?
Will they ping him just the lyrics?
No, not at all. Okay. Nope, you're fine. So you're going to look that way so you don't see who's got the bag. And when you quit singing, whoever's holding the bag gets to reach in, pull out the name. I'm going to try to call them. Their phone number's on here.
No, it's not.
Oh, I thought you said it was. It's not? All right, so we'll do that another time. We're going to call the person.
We'll get the number and call.
Yeah.
We'll take 2 seconds.
If we can do it, we'll try to call.
Yeah.
I'd love to call them right now. We'll get them on speakerphone, all right?
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to try to do this, all right?
You ready?
What are you going to sing?
My ding-a-ling.
Ah! My ding-a-ling.
When I was just a little baby boy, my grandmother bought me a cute little toy. Silver balls hanging on the string. She told me it was my ding-a-ling-a-ling. My ding-a-ling, my ding-a-ling. Won't you play with my ding-a-ling? Other day I was crossing Turtle Creek. Man, them snappers all around my feet. Sure was hard swimming across that creek with both hands a holding my ding-a-ling-a-ling. To all you folks who will not sing, you must be playing with your own ding-a-ling. Stop! Oh.
Hey! You dirty dog! Oh my God! All right, hang on here. We got to get a drum roll and all this kind of stuff. All right. Woo! That's how it is. What do we got?
Looks like Catherine Natke.
Yeah. Okay, so Catherine Ann
I'm pulling her number up right
Natke, Natkia 109. She is
number 2?
a number. No,
Okay.
just this one. She's the winner of a free Incred-I-Box, guys. One of the homes you guys have built. Isn't that something? Let's give her a round of hand. Round of applause, yeah. She bought 2 houses. This is her 3rd. Oh my gosh. That's awesome.
109 too.
109.
Am I half owner in that?
Hey, you did a great job, man. God, so beautiful.
Are you calling her from your phone?
I didn't bring my phone.
Here, I'll put it in mine.
Yeah, let's call her. Put her on speaker.
Cut Randy's head off. No, I draw her name.
I can't do 2 things at one time.
That's all right. We got her on speaker.
Yeah.
Catherine Ann.
Catherine and
Middle of the day, she may be working. If she bought 2 homes, she's working, ain't she?
Hello?
Catherine Ann,
Yes.
this is Randy Jones with Incredible Tiny Homes. How are you?
Why? Speaking directly instead of on video.
Oh
How
yeah,
wonderful.
you got me
Hello.
live right here. And you're on video right now, and I got all the employees of the Incred-I-Box standing around me in a circle. And we just did a drawing of the first 100 homes, and we pulled your name out, and you are the winner of a free Incred-I-Box. Are you there?
Yes, now I am.
Oh my God. Yeah, so we had 100 names. So we had that contest for every 100 homes we sell. We put 100 names in a bag or a box, and we do a drawing, and all the guys, we just passed you'll see the video, but we pulled your name out, and you have just won another Incred-I-Box.
Oh no, really?
Yeah.
Oh, how exciting!
You sure did. Yeah, we can't thank you enough. The guy said you actually bought 2, right?
I did. I bought one solar, and then you came out with the bigger one.
Yeah, the 20-footer, right.
And so we went with off-grid on that one.
Oh my gosh. You got 2 off-grid ones.
no.
Oh no, the second one's off-grid, yeah. Well, you got another one coming, the 3rd one.
You won't believe that's so heavenly.
Aw, I'm standing in front of all the employees in Incred-I-Box, and they can hear you talking. And this is a big time for us too, because we never knew that the Incred-I-Box would take off. And you've seen our whole story and what we're doing, and we're just excited about what we do, and giving this away is a big honor for us.
Oh, how amazing! How amazing! Yes, I've followed the Incred-I-Box, and I've absolutely loved it.
Awesome.
And I had started a charter school for based on the environment and children learning how to live naturally.
Yeah.
And I said that if I got one, I would use it as a fundraiser for the school.
I'll be darned. Well, here you go. This is going to a great cause. You do whatever you want with this, and keep us posted. And I'll be in touch after I got you on video. We'll be putting this on YouTube, so you'll get to see the whole ordeal. Okay?
Oh, how wonderful! Thank you so much.
Oh, well, hey, thanks for answering the phone, and everybody can hear you. We'll just everybody say goodbye to Catherine.
Hi, everybody. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome, sweetheart. I'll see you. We'll be in touch. All right, bye-bye. Isn't that awesome? Wow, she's going to probably use it as a charity, to help. Yeah, even better. Gosh, there you got it, guys. This is what we're doing, man. As soon as we get another 100, we'll do it again. All right? Cool. So say goodbye to the world here. We got to go back to work. Woo! Thanks, guys.